Welcome back to another of my vlogs. Thanks for coming back, or thanks for watching if you're new here. I'm gonna take you to Antwerp to visit the city for a week and relax. First thing first, the thing I love the most about taking airplanes is that I enter in a space where I don't have to think about just working or studying or whatever. I just have to open my book and read, or sleep at least, which is one of everything I love to do. I got picked up at the Eindhoven airport with a beautiful sign and a much needed hug. You can hear my laugh obviously at that point. We stopped for some groceries on the way, and then finally got home. At 8 p.m. it was finally time for dinner, so he began cooking for me. The second day I woke up at 8:30, I think, and I made myself some breakfast before starting my morning. Everyone around me just knows how much I need to write, mostly in the morning, because I tend to postpone my writing till the point I get really overwhelmed with my emotions. So for the past month I try to do it more consciously in the morning. Later that afternoon I went back to the city because I was having some cravings, so I bought myself a big pain au chocolat. For the rest of the afternoon and the evening I just stayed in working on some projects. Because it is so rare to see some sunlight in Antwerp, we decided to go on a walk and grab some things at the store. If you've never been to Leuven, I'm just telling you, go, because it's a beautiful city. Oh, from this point ahead you're gonna see a lot of food, so I hope you already ate so you won't have cravings like I have right now editing the video. That was easily one of the best meals I've ever had, so if it happens here in Leuven, just go check out the restaurant because it's amazing. Sunday was a very relaxing day. We passed the major part of the morning by walking around the city and exploring. But at one point the rain just came, so we had to get inside and work and study for the rest of the evening. When I tell you I love fries, you have to believe me. You've never tasted a place in which the fries were this good. If you're in Antwerp, just go there, you're not gonna be disappointed. For this reason, the walk home was very difficult. Monday, I had some calls to make, so it was a pretty intense morning. But besides that, the rest of the day was just really calm. We got there so late, we only had time to have dinner and make a quick tour of the store. But what can I say, this place speaks for itself. The last day I didn't feel like filming. We had to do some stuff before saying goodbye, and I really wanted to stay more focused and grounded on what I had before leaving. So thank you for staying with me for this long. I hope you're gonna see me in the next video.